Do you see yourself on a big stage, performing for thousands of people and becoming a star? If you want to launch a successful show business career, don't miss out on the opportunity to work with the star maker, Shaun Royer, who has worked with A-list celebrities like Alicia Keys, Justin Timberlake, and Selena Gomez. Just like you, they were young people looking for their big break. But what they realized early on, they needed a plan. And with hard work, talent, and great training, it happened for them. Shaun Royer continuously helps young people create their own big break, launching them into successful careers in the entertainment industry. Shaun Royer is looking for the next big thing, and that could be you. Sign up now to be one of the 8 lucky recipients chosen for a consultation with the Star Maker and make your dreams come true. For more information about Shaun Royer, check him out at www.shaunroyer.com.